I'm Lena. I quit my job in the pandemic to travel the world. After starting in Italy, doing a road trip in Slovenia, now we are in Croatia, and today we're gonna explore the Plitvice lakes here with these two
Let's go!
motivated people. We have like slept for 4 or 5 hours again.
3 nights in a row now.
Yeah.
It was actually 5 hours this time, so it's not as bad as 4 hours, but yeah.
For me it was 4 hours.
Okay.
So yeah, let's just make the best of it, enjoy to the fullest. Yeah, that's the energy. Let's get some beautiful nature shots as well.
Are you guys ready? Are you guys hyped? Love it, love it. Nobody's tired at all.
I'm just gonna trust right what you're saying. You never planned. Came through the valley, we walked through the fire. Your grace is amazing. I trust what you're saying. You never planned. I know that you work every try. I feel good if I stay and be patient.
We just bought a ticket, 200 kuna for an adult and 125 if you're a student. Bring your student.
I'm just gonna trust right what you're saying. You never planned. Came through the valley, we walked through the fire. Your grace is amazing. I trust what you're saying. You never planned. I know that you work every try. I feel good if I stay and be patient. Ooh, yeah, move up. Yeah, you kicked out my feet, perfect love. Yeah.
Just insane how clear the water is. Like I don't know. You can see everything. Like there is no water.
It's like real life editing again, and someone put the clarity all the way up, so I don't know how they do it, but it's amazing.
Just said we can't fly the drone here because it's a national park.
The urge is here. I would really enjoy to do that, but they have explicit signs that no drones are allowed, and I mean, sometimes you shouldn't risk it for the biscuit, I guess.
The approximate amount of time for the route H that we are on right now is 4 to 6 hours. We are in here for definitely 4 hours now, and I'm not sure if we even passed half the tour yet. But you know, if you want to create content and videos and photos, you definitely gotta make more time for that. It's not like the usual people that just walking by here, but it's so worth it. Some of the shots we took are just only recommend this place. Definitely, if you're ever in Croatia, you should definitely check this out. It's not just Instagram pictures you see all over, but it's just a lot of nature, a lot of details, a lot of water, insects that are kind of cool. Check it out.
Every time I see you, baby, come a little closer.
I can recommend. Really nice.
How much out of 10?
10, 12, 15. So that was it from Plitvice. Actually, my SD card is full, so Sebastian was kind enough to lend me his camera and also holding it, so I don't have to because I'm exhausted and over it. We spent here, like, the average amount of people spending time on the route we took is 4 to 6 hours, and we took 10. So I'd say it was a total success. I'm over it. I think we're all over it, tired, everything, but we're done. It was so worth it. People come here. Everyone takes 10 hours to go here. It's just us taking tons and tons and tons of footage. So you're good to go with 4 to 6 hours probably. Until next time, stay tuned, stay curious, and stay creative.
No, stay incredible, stay hyped, and stay hydrated, guys.